how to allow comments on your post on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow comments on your post on TikTok. Now, first open TikTok now, and once you're here, just click on your post. Click on it, and as you see here, you will find these 3 points in the top corner. And now click privacy settings, and that's it. Here you can manage it, comments, allow comments, just turn it on, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.